Hello, this is Liz with DC Digital, and today I am demonstrating a special version of our DC-10T-DN-NEMA. And what makes this a little bit different than our standard model is that it has a 1 second end of period beep instead of our standard 3 second. And on the outside there's a piezo right here that is adjustable from 85 to 95 decibels, and our standard piezo is only 85 decibels that you cannot adjust the volume. And the wired remote right here is inside of a NEMA 4X enclosure, and this is the same type of enclosure that the timer is in, and that helps protect the electronics from anything that's humid or any liquid splash that is going to occur in whatever area you put this timer and remote in. So let me show you how it functions. So on the top here, there's start, stop, set hours, set minutes, set seconds, last value, and 0 reset. So if you push the set hours button once, it'll start counting up the hours, and you push it again to stop. Same with set minutes. And then when you push set seconds, if you've already hit set hours and set minutes, it'll start counting up the seconds. There's a little LED that lights up in the upper left, and right now it's showing minutes and seconds. So when you hit the start stop button, it'll start counting down the seconds, and as soon as that reaches 0, it switches over to showing hours and minutes, and the colon in the center will flash. So let me stop that and hit 0 reset. I'm gonna set it for 1 minute and maybe 4 seconds, and hit start. It shows minutes and seconds, and then as soon as it reaches under 1 minute, it'll shift over to showing seconds and tenths and hundredths. So hit the start stop button. If you hit the last value button after you stop it, you can set it to whatever it was previously set at and start it again from there. And then let me show you the piezo function. So I will set this for 5 seconds, and let's start, and the piezo will go off as soon as the timer's done. So you can see that was 1 second, and that is quite a bit shorter than any of our other standard end of period beeps. Normally it's 3 seconds. So when it's at 0, hit 0 reset, and then you'll be able to set the hours and minutes and seconds again. And on the back, you can see there are 4 mounting holes, and this is the same for the timer, but it's a little bit easier to pick up the remote and show you. The only difference between this case and this case is that this case has a clear lid, and this lid is obviously opaque. So both of these are able to mount on the back, and the connection for the remote is made right here. We have the cover off. Normally this would be looking like a little bit like this. However, in order to show you how to connect and disconnect it, we had to take this off. So you pull this out right here, and this is just a little Cat 5 connector cable. You plug it in right there, and normally you'd feed it through this first and then tighten this down, and that will help protect it from the humidity or the liquid splash. And the other thing is this is powered with a 9-foot extension cord, and this plugs directly into an outlet. So it takes 60 hertz, 120 volts AC, and then there is a power supply on the inside that will convert that to DC for the timer. And I think that is it. So again, this is a special version of our DC-10T-DN-NEMA, and this is Liz with DC Digital. Thank you for watching.